we really wanted to make sure that we got the right chip antenna to be able to incorporate a cellular module and a Wi-Fi module in the exact same small PCB. And your team was really quite helpful in getting us to this solution as well. My name is Brandon Tetram. I'm the Senior Vice President of Product and Experience at Blues. Blues exists to help our customers connect disconnected things safely, simply, securely across cellular, Wi-Fi, LoRa, and satellite. So we're a connectivity company. It starts with hardware. We support across cellular, Wi-Fi, LoRa, and satellite. And it ends with our cloud service, ultimately giving our customers the ability to route data into their cloud applications, to manage their firmware, manage their fleets of devices and beyond, so they can get things connected quickly. Early product that we built is something we call the Notecarrier A. Part of our ecosystem, because our products, our note cards, are on M.2 edge connectors. And one of the things that's been nice about these boards, especially the Notecarrier A, is that we have a couple of Ignion antennas on here for cellular and for Wi-Fi and GPS. So over the course of the last couple of years, where we've been focused in diversifying the radio access technologies that we support, have been really in the satellite space. And so we introduced just this week Notecard for Skylo. And this is our first and an industry first module that has cellular, Wi-Fi, and satellite all in the same module on a single PCB. So these give our customers the ability to do things like provisioning over Wi-Fi in a factory, and then using cellular deployment, using Wi-Fi as a primary radio access technology, and then failing over to cellular, or in this case, failing over to satellite. So you have that benefit of using the RAT that's most available to you. Saves you cost, saves you time, saves you power, all those kinds of things. We are not RF engineers. We like to work with really smart partners that can help us getting that expertise to solve some of the problems that are unexpected. So we did build our first LoRa product a couple of years ago. We called Sparrow. And one very specific example is because we hadn't done LoRa before, we really didn't know what it was going to be like to design the matching network for this antenna, for this solution. And your team was actually really very helpful in helping us tune that, helping us understand how to build it. Even more recently, when we first got in from cellular into Cell Plus Wi-Fi, we really wanted to make sure that we got the right chip antenna to be able to incorporate a cellular module and a Wi-Fi module in the exact same small PCB. And your team was really quite helpful in getting us to this solution as well. The advantages of having an ecosystem of modules and partners you can rely on is that you can defer solving some of these hard problems to the people who are the experts. So in our case, we think our expertise is wireless connectivity. Similarly, the expertise that you all provide is antenna design, antenna selection. And that's been a huge thing, not only for us, but something we recommend to our customers, because our customers, again, when they're deploying at scale, they are using this module and they're building their own PCB, which means they need to do their own antenna design. You've already done it. You save yourself time, money, pain, all of that kind of stuff.